repair. I come to save y'all money, help you to do it yourself in your own home. Hope this video can help you and bless you. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day. All right, what we got is we got a 2020 and we got a flat. So what we do is we like to do roadside assistance too. So I'm gonna be putting a plug on a hole he got it punctured in his tire. We're gonna do the rear, and we got it jacked up already. Next, we're gonna take off these lug nuts here, and then we got the key lock nut. We're gonna have to get. I'm gonna get from the customer. We're gonna take that one off. And this right here takes 22 millimeter. 22 millimeter. Alrighty. So yeah, we got a 22 millimeter socket on here. We're gonna take those off, and it's really good to take it off while the car, or to loosen them up while the car is still on the ground. But I have an impact, so I'm gonna use my impact to take those off. Milwaukee, the #1 brand. Let's see here. Sometimes it can get stuck on there. You just wiggle it like that; it'll come right off. I will get stuck on there too. It's probably because it's supposed to be a 22 and a half, but it'll be okay. I'm gonna be taking 22 and a half. But that's not the case. And there we go. Gonna take those off. Let me get the lug nut key and we'll be right back. Alrighty. So with this this scat pack charger, the customer took his vehicle up to Tire Works or the tire shop, and they wouldn't change. They wouldn't put a patch on his tire, you know, because they wanted to sell him a tire. You know, that's what they do to make money. You know, that's their way of making money. But he called me out to do a flat repair, and I get there, and he has his lug nut on there that he need a key for me to take. I need a key to take that lug nut off. He looked through his car, he can't find it, and he just left the tire place, and they had the tire off and everything, and he called them and they couldn't find his the key. You know, I'm sure they misplaced it. You know, it happens, and you know, things happen. So what we had to do is, I got a tool that you can pick these tools up. I got a couple of them, but this one takes a bigger size tool. So I had to go get a tool that's gonna take. If you ever run into this problem, just go to O'Reilly's and pick up one of these here. They have the little threads in it. And what this is this tool right here, you know, takes a 1/2 inch impact. You put a 1/2 inch impact, or you can even use a strong ratchet. But I use an impact. And you take this tool and you put it on a lug nut, the key lug nut, and you turn it to the right, and it locks it on. And then you turn it to the left to take it off, because it gets stuck on there. You turn it, then it grabs that lug nut and it pulls it off. You can go pick these up at O'Reilly's. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get to plugging this tire. We'll be right back. All righty, we're back to it. We're gonna go ahead and take these lug nuts. We had to stop and get that one tool to take off that one lug nut. And now we're back to it. Alright, there we go. And next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna locate that hole. And there it is right there. We're gonna plug this hole right here. Let's go over here. Let's see. Right there. Lean this on the car. Gotta be careful. There's go. It's a pretty quick job, man. I'm gonna take my gloves off. I'm gonna clean that up real quick. Make that hole a little bit bigger. It may be already big enough. But we're gonna take this right here. Gonna put this up in there, clean it up, so we can go straight in, just like that there. And then you take in and out for a couple times. There you go. Alrighty. And then next, take this one here. I'm gonna put a plug in. Got to take the gloves off, man, because these things are a little sticky. And just start putting that through just like this. You squeeze it and push it through. Pull it on through like that right there. Alrighty. Put my gloves back on. I don't like getting my hands dirty because I gotta go to church after this. Alrighty. Then we're gonna pull this on out. Press this in and twist and press. Just like that. And when you're done with that, see if I have any. With the razor blade. You want to cut the rest of this off. Let me see if I can do it with this knife right here. Yep. Take your knife and just clean it up. Clean it up just like that. And then just okay to have some on there because the ground will make it sit in. Alrighty. And then what we're gonna do is gonna put this tire pack. We're gonna put some air in this tire. Put the tire back on first. Excuse me. Some huge tires on these scat packs on the Chargers. Got the little scat pack on them. So they got them expensive tires. The customer really fixed repair the plug instead of buy new tires, and you know, I don't blame them, man. These are fairly new tires. I would have did the same thing. Air in it. We're gonna go ahead and put some air in this. I put it at what? I think this one is like 40 psi. We're gonna put 40 psi up in here, and that's what you have it, man. Make sure you torque those lug nuts down. If you have a torque wrench, 100 foot-pounds. And I hope this video can help you out to do it yourself in your own home. Have a blessed day. Thank you very much.